Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove pimples in GIMP. So it's quite simple. So what you're going to have to do is click on this tool here, healing tool. And if you can't find a healing tool here, probably is because you have selected clone and then you have to select healing. Or better way, I would say, or faster way is just press, if you have selected here, just press H. Is the shortcut. You can also here see the shortcut C or H for the healing tool. Here you have also some F1 for more help. So if you press F1, will send you their website for more information. But you can also go here to tools. Then here you can see transform tools, paint tools, and then you can see heal. And then I can hold control because I want this clean part, from this clean part, this part of this skin, this portion. I'm gonna click, and then I'll click on here. And now it's just grabbing that part from here to here. Or I can click on here now. Just hold control when you select different portions. And it's going to clear those parts. I like that it's not too sharp, so it leaves some weird effects. Because we don't have like some weird effects here. I mean, it looks pretty clear to me. And by the way, you might also want here to. So I like some settings here, so I can click on Add tab, and here click on Tool Settings, because maybe I want to increase the size. So now I have and also I can increase the harshness. Maybe I want to add increase the hardness. And now, as you can see, this is more close, increase force. Maybe you want this bar from here, so as you can see, you can increase, change that portion. Maybe you want this now, and this one, and sorry, maybe this one here, and then this one there, this one here. Actually, that's not good. Maybe this part. So yeah, this now looks more actually just looks different. Yeah, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.